Welcome to my little country kitchen. It's day 2 of the 12 Christmas treats. And today we are going to be making buckeyes with a twist. We're going to make them into little gnomes. Let me show you how. First thing you need is a cup of peanut butter. And this jar only had about a cup left. And a cup and a half to 2 cups of powdered sugar. And of course some vanilla. Typically that's all that's in the middle of them, but I'm gonna zhuzh it up a little and add some cup of Rice Krispies. And now all we do is blend. Oh, I forgot the butter. I need 4 or 5 tablespoons of butter. Okay, I wish I would have added the cereal last. It's all right. Okay, good. Still getting the crunch. That's what I wanted. That's what it looks like. Now I just need to get it into little dollops. Little baby cookie scoop with a sheet pan. And let's get dropping. So when I lived in Saratoga, I had neighbors that made these for me for Christmas because they were from Ohio. And buckeyes are named after the tree there, I believe, because it looks like the buckeye nut. As long as you don't dip it all the way, I know you leave that little signature opening in the peanut butter. We are going to cover that with a gnome hat. I have another idea for you, and they're going to turn out so cute. You want to make sure that they're pretty round. You could pick them up and roll them like that if you wanted. Okay, maybe I will. You need to stick each one This is how we dip it in the chocolate. Now in the fridge they go. While the peanut butter balls are chilling, we're gonna get the chocolate ready. It's about a cup and a half, 2 cups of chocolate chips. It's optional to add the coconut oil, but I feel makes it easier for dipping, and it gives it a sheen after it dries, so it'll make it be pretty. And I put that in a Tupperware so I could have the extras for anything else for our next project. Throw it in the microwave. Just a minute, baby. A little bit more. 30 more seconds. It's almost there. It still has chunks of chocolate chips that need to be melted. Oh, they're melting when I'm stirring. Hang on. A few more seconds. Okay, it's all nice and creamy. And now let's get the buckeyes out of the fridge or freezer. While we're waiting for the insides to cool down, I'm gonna melt some white chocolate for the hats. Let me show you what we're gonna do with this. I did add a teeny bit of butter to this. White chocolate takes longer to melt because it's basically just all cocoa butter fat. It's like frosting. Okay. So the idea is to dip them in like that. Make a cute little gnome hat. Sprinkles or no sprinkles? Let's do some of both. They almost look like Christmas lights. I'm gonna have to scoop them up because this is so thick. Scoop it up on the edges. You like my little gnome hats? Okay, I dipped one and I put the hat on. Now where's my nose to make it look like a gnome? There we go. I'm using mini M&Ms for the nose. Look how cute he is. Okay, I'll show you when they're all done. To be a true buckeye, it needs a little opening like that, but I'm gonna cover it when I put the hats on anyway, so it's not gonna matter. See? Look at all my cute little gnomes. They all have different noses. They're gonna be so yummy. I am not gonna try one today because my tummy hurts. Honey, do you want to be a taste tester?
Oh, that'll kill me.
You can get the ugly one.
You pop the whole thing in.
It's up to you.
Scary. It's like jumping off a high dive.
Uh-huh. Eat the whole gnome hat and all. So sweet.
That's a lot of sugar.
Okay, if you weren't
good.
Okay, it's good. If you weren't diabetic, it'd be nummy.
That's really good.
I just licked the spoons and I'm already hurting. But good.
It's really good.
Neighbors will love it.
Yes.
Merry Christmas. On the second day my true love gave to me Santa socks.